Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Class 9, Unit 4, Exercise 4, Part 2. Vocabulary part, page 40. Choose the correct meaning of the underlined words. It was so delicate situation. Option C, sensitive, is correct. Number 2. Abu Jahl began knocking at the door violently, forcefully. Option C is correct, forcefully. Number 3. She simply posed a counter question that infuriated Abu Jahl. Option C, enraged, is correct. Number 4. She remained steadfast and did not reveal the secret. Firm and resolute. Option B is correct. Consult a dictionary to find the meanings of the following words, phrases, and use them in the sentences of your own. This question you have to do in notebook. Abstract noun. Abstract noun is the name of a quality, action, or state. Abstract nouns are formed from adjectives, verbs, and common nouns. Example: she faced every calamity of life with patience and valor. You will get the worksheet which you have to attempt about abstract noun. B part. Form abstract nouns from the following adjectives and verbs. Use these nouns in sentences of your own. Courageously, courage. Empty, emptiness. Difficult, difficulty. Generous, generosity. Resolute, resolution. Suffer, suffering. Put articles where required. C part you have to do in book. Trees are grown on either sides of the canal. Her courage and patience is exemplary. Kindness and tolerance are noble deeds. The higher you go, the cooler it is. He is the tallest boy in the class. Dog is a faithful animal. The Indus is the largest river in Pakistan. The Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Alize is the most intelligent girl in the class. Where are the books which I bought a week ago? Prepositions of time. Study this table thoroughly. E part we are going to do in book. The Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam migrated from Mecca to Medina. Abu Jahl, in a fit of fury, headed towards Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq's Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu's home. He began knocking at the door violently. At this, she ran instantly to a corner of the home. She has resolute faith in Allah Almighty. She gave away all the money to the poor and the needy. Her life would always be a beacon of light for all of us. Fill in the blanks with prepositions of time. Ali is arriving on January 26 at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Saqib is leaving on Friday at noon. Asher has started working for his law firm in 1995. I met Shaheen at 9 a.m. The doctor will see Alize in the evening. Sobia has her birthday on September 11. We will have vacation in summer. Punctuate the following using capital letter, comma, and full stop. That question you have to do in notebook.